Fresh off 2 flights, having worked through the night before and basking in the scorching Dallas sun for the ZX10 Mez meetup at Ducati Dallas, I was pushed to the limits of exhaustion. Join as we dive into the story as we ride to Terry Black's barbecue and then we ride to the Airbnb. I was really exhausted and worn out and struggling on this whole ride. Watch as I struggle. It's pretty funny watching it back. Go and check it out.
Bro, it is so freaking hot. Why did they ride down here during the summer, bro? I would not. Oh my god. You can like feel the heat hitting you off of the pavement. Like I said earlier, bro, I literally felt like my shoes were melting under my feet. That was crazy. Let's go. Ah, you.
I will kill you.
You. I blew it straight in my face with the bimoto. That was a bump and a half, my guy. Whoa. It's a nice looking city, man, so far. It's pretty cool. Old looking. I wonder how old it is. Oh, it is hot, brother. I've definitely seen this in a lot of other moto vloggers' videos. I will say this though, this road, it might not look that bad, but it is bumpy. Ah, come on. It's hot. Check out this Supra. That thing's sick. What is that? These motherfuckers. Y'all, you little out here getting me. Damn, boy, who is that? bikes are all definitely running like dummy hot. My guy about bottom is suspension out, bro. What up, baby? It's hot as shit. Let's go. Let's see some Terry Black's barbecue.
Terry Black's barbecue is slapping, baby. Let's go.
We just got done eating up here at Terry Black's barbecue. It was delicious. If you all are ever down here in Dallas, highly recommend come check this place out though. Definitely like a $2 or $3 sign, you know what I'm saying? Kind of a little expensive, but I think it was worth it, bro. It was good vibes. Great food. They got all the pits over here. You can walk around and see as they cook. It's sick. We're outside, baby. We're on the way to the Airbnb right now to go and take a little nap. It is hot out, my guy. I think we're all tired and worn out. Oh! This heat is crazy. You can literally feel like the waves of the heat rolling off of the ground up at you. That's different, my guy. Like it just feels like you're riding through an oven. What the heck? That's literally what it feels like right now. It feels like I'm riding through a friggin' oven. It's so daggone hot. The shoes is out here melting probably. My arms are getting burned up right now. I can feel it. Or maybe that's just how hot it is. I don't know. It's hard to tell. That thing sound nice. But I just tried to like rest my arm on my tank like I would at home. That's a no-go. That's legit cooking your arm. Like actually. Dude, this out here comedy, boy. It is way too hot to be wearing gear. That's for sure. Like full leathers or anything. Gosh almighty, I can't imagine that. For sure, when it's hot like this, you know you're gonna get dripped.
At this point, I was struggling to even keep the bike up, let alone ride, and keep a good speed with everybody, so I just decided to hang back with my boy Rico.
Hot. The Uber driver earlier told me it takes 18 hours to get from one side of the state to the other. Like driving. I said, bro, what? And it's so daggone hot. Heat is like, I don't know, it's pretty bad, man, for real. I don't know if it's because I've not slept at all, or if it's because it's really just that bad, or a combination of the both. It's like a little bit of a combo of the both. Man, this stuff is, wow, boy, this heat.
Temperature out here the same as my speedometer.
Papers and registration, please.
Man, it's hot. I know I done told y'all that a lot, but I am out here struggling, boy. I need some water and a nap. Lay down in a good cold bed.